let's write the sound qu, qu, qu. Hi children, welcome back again to my channel. Okay, so my name is favourtheteacher, and if you're new to this channel, you are welcomed, okay? So today we're going to be learning to write the sound qu. Remember that qu is what? Two sounds that make one sound as what? Qu. But today we're going to be focusing on writing the first single sound here, which is what? The qu, okay? And we're going to link it up when we learn the other part of it. So today we're going to be learning the what? Qu what? Sound, okay? And before we do that, I want you to look up the screen and let's say our sounds together. One to go. A, B, D, E, G, I, J, K, Wow, that was super fantastic. I am super proud of you. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Amazing. I also have my beautiful flashcards here, and I'm going to be showing you because I need you to tell me what sound is this. Amazing words. Good job. And what about this sound here? The sound what? Ah, good job. And what sound is this one? P, p, p. Amazing. And what about this one here? The sound what? Zzz. Good job. And what about this one? G, g, g. Amazing. Okay, so tell me, what sound is this? Amazing what? Good job. And what about this one over here? The sound what? Like your fish. Good job. And what about this one? Like you're happy, or the hen. Can you see the picture there? Good job. Okay, so now we're good to go to learn how to write our what? Qu sound. I have with me here my fantastic what? White board, right? And today we're going to be learning to write the sound what? Qu. And remember, it is two sounds, but we're going to be learning the first sound, the first one here that the letter name says Q, but we call it what? Qu in the sound. So let's go. It's the same way we do like what? The back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and a slant. Did you see that fantastic sound? Qu. Did you see that? So let's go again. One to go. A back curve. Don't take your hands away. Remember, stroke up. Did you see that? Stroke down the same line. Make it down, 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 and a slant up. Did you see that? Good job. That is the sound what? Qu. Let's go again. A back curve, stroke up, stroke down the same line, and a slant up. Did you see that? That's the sound what? Qu. Now let's go again. One more time. A back curve, stroke up, stroke down the same line and make a slant up. Did you see that? That's amazing. Can you try that? So let's do that on the air. One to go. A back curve, stroke up, stroke down the same line, down, down, and a little slant up. Good job. One more time. A back curve, a stroke up, close it up there, stroke down the same line, take it down again, and a little slant up. Good job. That's the sound what? Kwa. Here is called what? Kwa. Okay? Now, let's take it one more time again. A back curve, stroke up, the same line, down the same line, and a slant. One more time. A back curve, stroke up. Did you see that? Did you see what I did there? Stroke down the same line, take it down, and a slant up. Right? That's how to write the sound word kwa. Okay, so I'm going to flip over to the next side of it, and we're going to be connecting, writing from a to connect to what? Kwa. Are we ready? Good. So 1, 2, go. The first sound is what? The sound what? A. Good job. So let's go. A back curve, stroke up, stroke down the same line and make a loop. That's the word sound A. So after A, we have what? B. Good job. Stroke down, up the same line, and the curve. A, B. The next sound is what? Good job. The sound what? K. Let's go. A, B. K. A back curve. Right? The next one is what? A, B, K, D. Good job. A back curve, stroke up, down the same line and make a loop. A, B, K, D. E, amazing. A dash and a back curve. A, B, K, D. E, a fantastic word. Up curve, stroke down, make a swing, and a dash. That's your word. A, B, K, D, E. Good job. Good. A back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and make a swing. A, B, K, D, E. Good. Good job. A stroke down, up the same line, down the hill, and the loop. A, B, K, D, E. Good. E, amazing. A stroke down, a loop, and a dot. A, B, K, D, E. Good. E, J. Good job. Stroke down, make a swing, and a dot. A, B, K, D, E. Good. E, J. A fantastic word. A stroke down, stroke up the same line, curve E, out, and the loop. Did you see that? So let's take our board up again. A, B, K, D, E, G, E, J. Good job. A stroke down, make a loop. A, B, K, D, E, G, E, J. Good job. A stroke down, stroke up, down the hill, stroke up, down the hill, and the loop. Did you see that? So let's go again. A, B, K, D, E, G, E, J. Stroke down, up the same line, down the hill, and the loop, right? Let's go. A, B, K, D, E, g, e, j, k, l, amazing. Make a circle. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, e, j, k, l, o, and p. Let's stroke down, stroke up the same line, and then curve in, right? A, b, k, d, e, f, g, e, j, k, l, o, p. And a fantastic word, qu. So let's go. How do we write qu again? Over here, can you see? A back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and a little slant up. That's the sound word qu. So can you see that writing your sounds from a to qu is very, very easy, and you did it. I am super proud of you. Now I want you to keep practicing, okay? Because writing the sounds really is not difficult. So you can see how we learn to write our qu. I want us to do it again over here. 1, 2, go again. How do we write qu? We gain a back curve, stroke up the same line. Sorry. Let's take it again. Let's go. A back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and a slant up. Again, a back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and make a slant up. Again, a back curve, stroke up, down the same line, and make a slant up. That's how we write the sound word qu. Good job. Okay, children, so this is the end of our video, and I will see you in the next video where we learn to write the next sound. Remember that till then, you keep practicing how to write a sound so you can be perfect in it, okay? Okay, bye, children. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video and share. Bye.